Guys, so today I'm going to be making an unboxing video, and this time I have the Big Blue Party Indoor Outdoor Speaker by Brookstone. Sorry about that, my dog. Okay, Airman, that's it, stop. Airman, I'm making a video, okay? Oh, my dog wants to be in the video. You want to be in the video? Alright, that's it, come on. Sorry about that. Well, anyway, so I'm going to be unboxing this, and I'm gonna see if I can make a small review, like play a song, see how it sounds. So, yeah. So this is how it looks. Alright. Now we got the box open. Looks like a manual booklet at the top. Yeah. We don't really need that right now. We got, what are these? We got the cords. Yep. By the way, this is what wireless speaker. So these are just like charging cords. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to take this out with one hand. It's heavy, so wait till, yeah, there we go, one hand. So this speaker weighs 12 pounds, 12 point something, so it's pretty kind of heavy, but it looks nice. It's big. I thought it was a bit smaller, but that's not a problem. I like it. As long as the sound is good, I'm good. It's still portable though, so let's see. How do I take this down? Alright. Let me just take this thing off with the scissors. Okay, so here it is. The Big Blue Party speaker. I'm gonna be unboxing. Yeah, here it is. This is the Big Blue Party speaker. It's nice. It's heavy, but it's still portable. And this is made out of rubber, so it feels good. Oh, this is pretty nice. Actually, the feel. What else? So yeah, I'm gonna be trying one song and see how loud it gets, the bass, the treble. I'm gonna be adjusting those things too. So yeah. Okay, so I'm about to play a song right now. That's about 50% the volume. Also, this speaker is a 360 speaker, so that means that you can hear the music or the songs from any side of the speaker that you like. It's not even 100% volume. This is pretty much like 75%. Wow, the bass of this speaker is just amazing. Now I'm gonna raise the volume to 100%. That's 100% right there. I'm gonna try the mode. That's the volume. Wow! Once you use the treble on the speaker, it gets pretty loud. Now the bass. Alright, so we just increased the bass. want to say this is the best Bluetooth wireless speaker I've had so far. I'm gonna put this on the floor. There you go, guys. So this was the unboxing video of the big Blue Party speakers. And actually it was a sound review too. I hope you guys like this video. By the way, this is a water resistant speaker, so if you can take it to the beach, you can take it near the pool. So I hope you guys like this video. It helped you a lot in deciding if you wanted to buy this. By the way, if you are trying to buy this right now, it's there's a pretty good deal right now. Speaker actually costs $200, but if you go online right now, or if you go actually to the store like I did, and you just tell them that there's an offer online, which is like a promo code, you just put it'll take you $30 off from the $200, which that's a pretty good deal for this amazing speaker. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.